Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
너 찍네? 호진이야. 이호진? 아이씨그룹 재무관리사. 그전엔 장가 강민정 이사님 자산운용가. 그리고 그 이전엔 광진고 3학년 1반 니빵 셔틀이었고. 찡찡이? 어떻게 잊을 수 있을까? 새로이가 너의 시작은 다였을 텐데. 너, 니가 이 선배 정도 내가 맺게 됐다. 무슨 개소리야. 장가를 대상으로 인수합병이 추진될 거야. 인수합병이라니. 네가 기억조차 못하는 지옥 같은 가습기.
Today I have an appointment to go get a tattoo. Good morning, Charlie. Good morning, Charlie. Who's my baby boy? I'm gonna head to the shower and then I think I'm gonna do my toes because these claws are scratching. Oh, this smells so good. It's a little wet still. I love the way that this is fluffing up. It's becoming like way more full. I just hope that the knots here like aren't visible when I put the ponytail on. Hopefully it will like tuck in on itself and they will tuck themselves away and the hair will be poofy enough to hide them. I had a comb here somewhere. I think I'm just gonna like brush out the roots, comb out the roots just a little bit at the top because they've got to be the ones that hide everything else. And then I'll probably douse this in some hairspray to make sure it stays, because fake hair has a tendency of like not holding a curl at all. Wow, this looks amazing. Let me make sure to get the middle. See, look how the middle is super defined, and then look, I just fluffed up like the outside. I hope this looks good. Oh yeah, this looks pretty good. It's not like a perfect match, but it's just a ponytail. So before I flip it back in, I'm gonna spray it with some hairspray. And if you're gonna do hairspray, just go all the way. Gotta use got to be glued. I'm gonna do my hair first, and then I'm gonna do my makeup. So I've got to wait until this ponytail dries a little bit. She's beautiful. Oh my god, and it's like naturally layered. I'm not loving the straight pieces at the bottom because somebody didn't curl it right. I didn't braid them all the way to the end. The ends were just so frizzy. This is good. Like, there's still a little straggliness for when I like eventually want to come back and re-braid the bottom and dip it in some hot water. But it's not too bad. Priming. I got a nice little tan last weekend, so this is looking toasted and even. Let's get a little closer. Yeah, that's better. Wow. Look at that 5 head. I look so pale in the camera. It doesn't look that bad in person. I will be fixing it though. Put it into the hairline because I hate when people forget that. Ooh, some blush. really like how this came out. Super light, airy, very white. I think I went a little overboard with the blush, but I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that decision. Let me go get dressed. This is hilarious. These pants are doing absolutely nothing for my butt. I'm having such a hard time picking a sweater. I know there's probably going to be AC inside and I'm gonna be cold with my arms exposed and everything. So I'm like, what can I wear that's like easy on, easy off, but also looks cute with this outfit? Like, what would you put on top of this outfit? I don't want to cover up the belly piece, so it needs to be some kind of sweater crop top situation. I don't know. What would you put on top of this outfit? Because I'm truly stumped. We are en route. I'm so excited. I'm probably just gonna blast music the whole entire time to get into the vibe of today. But yeah, I will talk to you guys when I get there.
In a quarter mile, use the left 2 lanes.